Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the headlight on a second generation Saab 9.3. If this video is helpful, you just smash that thumbs up button. Really help me out. So the first thing we're going to do here, the driver's side is generally the hardest to get your hands in to change the bulb here. So the first thing you're going to do, pull this out. You're probably going to have to wiggle and yank. I already had that taken out, so the next thing we're going to do is just reach in here, pull that cover off, and then you can reach in here, and I'm actually going to take this out so you can see better what's going on, but you just kind of twist this little knob here and you can pull that out. So I'm going to take the headlight out so you can actually see what's going on. And also this other light over here, or the other side, it's a little bit different than the other side, than this first one here I showed you. Okay, so from here you can see how those little ears stick out, and you can twist those underneath those screws. So you just twist it and pull it out, replace. This works kind of the same way, except for there's these little pegs sticking out, and you just twist this, pull it off, replace, and then same way when you're putting it back in. Kind of hard to do one-handed, but you get the idea. Just kind of twists in like that. And your blinker is right over here. Just twist and wiggle, and that pulls out. Push it back in. Let's see, that bulb right there, you just kind of push in and twist and it pops right out. The headlights, the H7s, you're going to have to just kind of wiggle and pull. Try not to touch the bulb when you're pulling it out. The oils on your fingers get on there and make the bulbs so they don't last as long. Hey, if this video is helpful, hit the thumbs up button. I'm going to have a link in the description below where you can get these H7 headlight bulbs or the blinkers. And I hope this video is helpful. Thank you very much. Have a good one.